Okay, we're going to set you up with making iPhone ringtones using iTunes 7.6.2 and iPod firmware 1.1.4. We're going to make this real quick. First thing you want to do is go find an MP3 in your iTunes library, and there's Fiesta Mexicana right there. And you want to right click on it, go to Get Info, and you have all these tabs in here. And go to Options, click Start Time, Stop Time, change it to 11 seconds or whatever you want. Definitely don't make it more than 30 seconds because I don't think it reads more than 30 seconds. Hit OK. Now go back to the same song, go to Convert Selection to AAC. And now you'll see you have a new song in your iTunes folder, iTunes library, that is 11 seconds long, which is what we just did. Now, the one that's 11 seconds long, go to Show in Finder, and then you'll see it pop up right here. Change the tag at the end from M4A to M4R. Yes, use M4R. Drag that somewhere else, don't close it. Go back into your iTunes. The 11-second song that we the 11 second we made. The 11-second song that we made, you can just right click and go to delete. Click remove, but make sure you keep file. Then go to your ringtones. Go back down to the finder where you change the tag at the end of the file, and just drag the M4R into your ringtones. And there it is. I'm going to sync my iPhone. It is synced. And that is